Okay, so I've figured out that I've got the standard barcade. I need to make it, if the laptop's coming in here and going down this way, the buttons can't hit the keyboard, and unless the laptop is going to go straight down and I make it really tall, I need to figure out this angle and this and where the buttons are going to go, so I know how long it's going to be and how tall it's got to be. So I got to make sure the laptop just goes underneath there and doesn't hit. Great. So I did that. And then I came up with this. And after 12 iterations or so, I realized I need a piece back here to hold the laptop screen in place, because they had mounted it to some pieces of wood here, and that's not going to work. Laptop's going to go down like this. This had to be longer here. This had to be wider. I had to move these pieces all the way out to the edge. These screw holes had to be moved down. I needed a screw hole here just to put a little board in there or a piece of wood to hold the laptop in place. This whole control panel had to be extended. And now I think I'm ready to do a little prototype. I think I've got it. And I think I know where all the pieces are going. So we should be okay.